Want to ditch the amateur look and create user-generated content ads that actually convert, even if you're camera shy? Today, we're diving into Heygen, the AI video platform that lets you create professional Ugc ads with virtual avatars and realistic voiceovers in minutes. First, head over to Heygen and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, explore the template library. Heygen offers a ton of pre-designed templates perfect for different industries and ad formats. Choose one that fits your product and target audience. Now, it's time to customize your ad. Select an avatar that resonates with your brand. Heygen offers a diverse range of avatars, so pick one that looks authentic. Then, replace the template script with your own compelling ad copy. Remember to highlight your product's key benefits and include a clear call to action. Next, select a voiceover for your avatar. Heygen offers a variety of realistic AI voices. Experiment with different options until you find one that matches your brand's tone and personality. Now, it's time to add some visual flair. Use Heygen's editing tools to add animations, text overlays, and background music to make your ad more engaging. Keep it visually appealing and on brand. Finally, preview your ad to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. Once you're satisfied, click the download button to export your professional Ugc ad. Now go and try Heygen out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered marketing tips.